Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to make a checkbox required in DocuSign. This is incredibly useful when you need to ensure that recipients must actively agree to specific terms or conditions before they can complete and submit your document. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to DocuSign.com. Once you're on the home page, go ahead and sign in using your credentials. After logging in, you'll be taken to your DocuSign dashboard where you can manage all your documents and agreements. Now look at the top toolbar and click on Agreement. This section is where you'll create and manage all your signing requests. In the upper left panel, you'll see an option that says Start Now. Click on that to begin creating a new agreement. Next, you'll need to upload the document you want to send. Click on Upload, then select Desktop from the options. This allows you to choose a file that's saved locally on your computer. Browse through your files, select the document you want to upload, and click Open. Your document will now be imported into DocuSign and ready for configuration. After your document uploads, you'll need to specify who will be signing it. Enter the recipient's name in the text field provided, then just below that, enter their email address. This ensures the document reaches the right person. You'll also see fields for the subject line and an optional message. Fill these in to give your recipient context about what they're signing and why it matters. Once you've entered all the recipient details, click Next in the bottom right corner. This will take you to the document preparation screen where you can add all the necessary fields and elements for signing. Now here's where we set up the required checkbox. In the left sidebar, you'll see various field options. Click and drag the checkbox element onto your document and place it wherever you want the recipient to interact with it. This could be at the end of a terms section or next to a specific clause you need them to acknowledge. Next, click and drag the text element from the left sidebar and place it right beside the checkbox you just added. This text will label what the checkbox represents. In the right panel, navigate to Add Text, and in the text field, type something clear and direct. For example, I agree to terms. This gives your recipient a clear understanding of what they're agreeing to by checking the box. Now comes the crucial part, making this checkbox required. Click on the checkbox you added earlier. In the right panel, you'll see various options. Click on Validation. This is where you control whether the checkbox must be selected before the document can be completed. In the validation settings, click the first drop-down menu and select Select at Least. This tells DocuSign that a minimum number of checkboxes must be selected. Then, click the second drop-down and select one. This ensures that the checkbox must be checked before the recipient can proceed. Finally, once you've configured everything and reviewed your document, click Send in the bottom right corner. Your document will now be sent to the recipient with the checkbox set as a required field, meaning they won't be able to complete the signing process without checking that box. And that's it. You've successfully created a required checkbox in DocuSign, ensuring your recipients must actively acknowledge and agree to your terms before signing. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.